Hello, my name is Kathy and I'm part of your success team here at MIFOinc. Today I'd like to go over the Missing Service Gap in Care report. As you can see, this report brings in all the data for all the health plans that your practice participates with. For example, this particular practice has data for Health First, Fidelis, and Affinity. It also indicates by health plan the number of unique patients that are assigned by that health plan. The view to the right shows the same data, but in a pie chart format, so at a quick glance, you can see what portion of your practice is indicated by each health plan. By clicking on the bar, the information is filtered for that specific health plan. As you can see, if we click on Fidelis, we'll have a sort by that health plan as well. Coming back and clicking 2 times will bring you back to the full view. This table shows you individually by health plan and by measure the member name, date of birth, provider name, and member phone number. This is helpful because all of your missing service data is in one place. To print this report, simply click anywhere in the table and you'll see a blue line bordering the report. This allows you to come over to the right to the menu, click on the 3 dots. You can either export to CSV or export to Excel. And this report can be used for outreach to patients and have them come into the office. Outreach campaigns can also be created by our consulting team and are available to you if need be. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at future training modules.